Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for something fun and creative to do while you are stuck in quarantine, why not paint a face mask on your face? So yeah, I thought this was really fun to do. Something very creative. As y'all already know, I do everything for the first time on camera. This is something to, keep your kids entertained. If you have kids and you just need something to do, why not just use your face or their face as a canvas? So if you want to see how I did this look, just make sure you stay tuned. So hey y'all, this is the final look. This was very fun, very easy to do. As you can see, I used a range of Sensationnel face paints and some other face paints that I had lying around, and I used eyeshadow. Yep, that is right, pigmented eyeshadow on top of the paint just to give it more of a pronounced look. As you can see, I really love the way how this turned out and looked. And hopefully this is something that you can do on yourself. I mean, what else is there to do? Especially if you have little ones. Like I said before, this will be a fun project to do. Now, yeah, just let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. If you have any ideas on what my next look should be, just let me know. So also make sure you like and share and subscribe. Make sure you stay home and stay healthy and stay covered up. All right, bye.